Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your UAN account. So first you have to open a Google web browser or any other browser you prefer, and on the URL section which is on the top you have to simply type UAN and enter it. And from the search results on the top, that's UAN over here, simply click on that option. And it will directly redirect you into a page like this, and on the right hand side you could see there's a sign in option. So in order to sign in you have to fill the UAN password and also your captcha. So simply type down your UAN and your password as well, and you can also require it with this option. You simply have to type down what is it over here. But if you have forgotten your password, you can click in this option as well, and it will give you instruction how you can reset your password. And after you're done with it, you simply need to sign in over here, and this is how you can log into your UAN account. So thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.